Morning. It's Sunday morning and I've come over to Sutton Coldfield again, where I have done some videos before of these trees in a field with the sunrise. I was up at sunrise this morning, well before it, and I could have got here in time, but I looked out the window and it didn't look like anything exciting was going to happen with the sun. So I kind of gave it a miss and I kind of rolled around in bed for another half hour. But I should have got up anyway, because once I'm awake I can't get back to sleep. But anyway, I've come over here again with the intention of taking some of these trees, which I'll show you when I can get a good view of them, with these yellow flowers behind me. Now I think it's called rapeseed, I may be wrong. Probably am, but where I was going to take the photos of these trees with the yellow fields, the actual field with the trees in hasn't got any of these yellow flowers. Well, they have, but not enough to kind of give this effect, so I'm giving that a miss. But I'm here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a walk over the fields, because there's only like 2 or 3 fields, but they have these kind of like lone trees, and I can see now behind me that there are some of these lone trees in this field, and I've got my big lens with me, so I'm going to see if I can just pinpoint some of them and take a couple of shots. It'll be nothing exciting, nothing spectacular, but I'm here now and it's colder than it looks or it's supposed to be. I've got one t-shirt on and this flimsy little jumper, so yeah, let's crack on. Well, that's the row of trees behind me, that kind of row there. But in the direction I'm heading, that's where the sun normally rises. But as I said, it's just nothing today. I'm not even going to take a photo of them trees. And damn, it's cold up here now. And this little kind of B-plan, I don't think this is going to work anyway. Because I've come up here and took some photos before of the trees, and now I've got here, I've remembered why they were no good. It's because there's houses beyond the back and I can't kind of get a clear shot without the houses in the back. But I'm gonna have another look being as I'm here and just keep walking up, see if I can warm myself up a bit. Right, complete waste of time. I can't really get a good view of the lone trees from up here, maybe 1 or 2 of them, but because I'm such a short ass, I can't see over the top of all this rapeseed, if that's what it's called. So that was a waste of time. I can kind of see one from where I am now, but the houses are really close, straight above it, and I don't think it'll work. There's another little path down here to the left. I'm going to try that, see if I can get a different angle, but I'm not holding my breath. Waste of time. I just can't get the shot I want. If you look behind me, that one there is the closest of what I can kind of get, or what the kind of shot I kind of wanted, but there's too much crap in the background that I don't want included. So yeah, plan B, I think I'm going to go over to Middleton Lakes, which I didn't really want to do because I was only up there on Tuesday and it's Sunday today, but I did get some good shots. So unless I can think of anywhere different on the way back, I think that's where I'm going to go after I stop off at home to get another coat because I'm freezing. Well, as much as I didn't want to, I've ended up coming back to Middleton Lakes. I was only here 5 days ago, but I got some good shots, and I've took a couple already this morning, and I think I've got some tits in flight. Alright shots, I think I've got about 3 or 4. So, yeah, I just won 20 quid on a scratch card on the way out, which was nice. So I'll give it a couple of hours here, see what it's like, see if I can get a photo of that bitten. I doubt it. Well, I saw a kestrel or something not far up, and I had my full frame lens on. I thought, well, I'll go for the extra reach. I swapped over to my crop sensor and it kind of flew off. So I've kept the crop sensor on, but I'm kind of struggling with the tracking on it for the birds in flight, which is what I've been trying to do and what shots I've been trying to get. The tracking on the a6400 is terrible compared to the A7iv. I'm just walking up towards where the kingfisher is to see what it's like, well, to see if he's there. Yeah, so fingers crossed he might be there today. Take a few shots of this pheasant. He's quite what's the word I'm looking for? Well, basically he's not scared of me. He's quite brave, that's it. He's standing basically 6 foot away from me. I'll show you. Well, back at the kingfisher place, no kingfisher. I think I've took a few decent shots this morning. I think I took some birds in flight, some kind of, maybe a kestrel, I'm not sure. Don't know if that'll turn out, and also a pheasant that was really friendly, that got really close to me. But I'm going to head back now. Like I said, I came up here on Monday, took some shots then, so I haven't really got much to say. So what I'll do is if I haven't already, show you some before and afters of the editing and whatever I've took today. So until next time, thanks for watching.